my school and look what I found. A carrier, SENERGY2000 silencer system. I can't believe that. There's a comforter unit, another comforter unit, vintage freezer, dripping like crazy. Anyways, first we start with the bin. It's got a open scroll compressor. Check the service in it. It's not been running. 13's here. Oh, let me get the data. 2016, 4-ton. This is this beautiful carrier. I love these units. SENERGY2000 silencer system. It's not a heat pump, but I don't really care. It's so amazing. Wait, is that an ECM motor? You know they make ECMs back there. There's a logo. If I did not show it yet, I might have already did. There's a logo down there. You know what? This Goodman might have replaced the unit with that logo. Where's just the date on this? Oh, it's down here. Never seen them put it down here. 1994, 5-ton. I expect this thing to be a lot newer. 1997, maybe. This is not. There's a logo for the Goodman. The disconnect for it is actually shut off. The one for the carrier is not. So, move on to the next units. They've got some other cool units. So here's another really cool unit. This one's a carrier Tech 2000. Oh my god, this one's a heat pump. I gotta get this thing defrosting this coming winter. There's the data. It's from 1990, and it's a 3-ton. I don't think it's been running. It's disconnect box. Let's see what compressor it has. It has a very old GE motor. I can't see the compressor, but it's either a Carlisle or a Tecumseh. Alright, at the same place by the playground area, they have a few York Stellar series air conditioners. That one is running. This one isn't. They have different fan wheels, surprisingly. See, they got that beautiful York logo and the York side one. This is back when York was good, not junk. It is today. This one is from 2002, I think. I don't know for sure, but it's a 4-ton. This one is running. Sounds pretty nice. I think it has a reset. Probably propane, maybe percent. That's how it is. This one is a 2.5-ton from 2001, I think. I don't know for sure. Oh, here's this good one over here. It's not running. And I've actually never seen this one run. Yeah, these ones are located at the playground area, if I already said, and those carriers and that other Goodman are located at the front of the school. This one's actually a 3-phase unit. The data sheet's right there. It looks like it's a 3.5-ton. I can't tell about the year. So yeah, I guess that'll be it for this video. Lots of cool units. Thanks for watching, and over and